guys, this is Kim with wisdomhealingtree.com, and today we're going to do some pendulum readings on healing the body. Can we heal our bodies with herbs? Yes, thank you. Can we heal our bodies with healthy foods? Yes, thank you. Should we eat for our body blood type? Maybe. Thank you. Can we heal our bodies with high frequency music? Yes. Thank you. Can we heal our bodies with high frequency foods? Yes. Thank you. As we ascend, will our bodies need food? No. Thank you. Should we pray over our food and water before we consume it? Yes. Thank you. And those are the questions for today. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comments. And remember, this is for entertainment purposes only. Have a great day, guys.